Marketing is now simpler than it was before thanks to the internet age. Modern marketing, though, is not without drawbacks. Every day, content producers and marketers confront many difficulties, such as the low viewership of webinars, the low readership of white papers, and the low visibility of SEO-optimized blog entries. These marketers and content producers must now look for more effective strategies or tools to win over their target audience. Pictory is one tool that can be utilized. The software makes it possible to automatically create videos from text, which will unquestionably increase your social media rankings. Pictory is an artificial intelligence AI video generation tool. It allows users to upload long-form texts or long videos, and the AI automatically scans through several royalty-free images and videos to sync with the inputted script. Pictory then generates short, powerful videos that fit the script and perfectly convey the intended message. According to the creators, Pictory automatically creates short, highly shareable branded videos from your long-form content. Quick, easy, and cost-effective. No technical skills or software download is required. Pictory is ideal for you whether you work as a marketer, content developer, or in any other profession that requires you to produce engaging content for your audience. This Pictory review will cover every aspect of the software, including its features, benefits, drawbacks, and cost. Before we continue and get to the video, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with a friend. And I am an affiliate of Pictory, which means that if you click my link below this video, please do, and purchase the tool, I get a small commission at no additional cost to you. Now let's get back to the video. Pictory has features for transcribing. It transcribes speech from videos and gives users the option to keep or edit certain passages of the text. This software supports over 20 languages, so you can connect to millions of audiences across the globe. Pictory is perfect for social media managers, since it makes it simple to turn blog content into quick videos, which may boost interaction. Also, Pictory's capability of creating subtitles on request can boost your video's accessibility and SEO standing. The captions can be downloaded as text, SVT, or VTT files, or inserted into the video. Moreover, marketers, bloggers, agencies, course developers, Vidnami users, YouTube creators, and trainers may all utilize Pictory to boost productivity. Once the quick videos are made, you can use the Hootsuite integration to plan automated posting on social networks. As CSV files, the videos can also be downloaded. With its artificial intelligence technology, we shall start this video review of Pictory. Like the majority of AI video editing programs, Pictory features 3 AI technologies built in that collaborate to produce short videos from lengthy texts. Pictory uses natural language processing (NLP) to automatically condense the lengthy text into a handful of crucial sentences, each of which generates a scene in the video. For each text in Pictory, NLP and computer vision (CV) automatically scan and choose an appropriate background visual, image, or video. In the final Pictory video, text-to-speech (TTS) narrates these crucial phrases and offers a voiceover. Voiceovers can also be recorded. Users can modify videos using text using Pictory's excellent AI without having a deep understanding of complicated software. You may even cut long videos into smaller ones using AI. Customizable templates. Pictory offers more than 40 different editable video templates. Also, it has a variety of animations and styles. Users have the option to personalize and develop their own branded themes. Colors, typefaces, animations, logos, an intro, and an outro can all be included. For their clients, projects, etc., agencies and content providers can create and preserve a variety of branded templates. Older projects created with brand settings are accessible, editable, and may be used to create new videos. You may also give them a fresh look by using the Templates and Styles options. Audio editing. Users of Pictory can upload a pre-recorded voiceover or record their voice directly within the app. To have Pictory speak for you, you can also choose from a variety of their lifelike AI voices. Users of Pictory can also adjust the level of the voiceover or music. The ability to personalize videos using the audio settings section of Pictory's Audio tab is another feature worth mentioning in our Pictory review. Music library. The Pictory software includes 15,000 music from Melod and Storyblocks, two of the top recording performers around the globe. You can choose any of them to serve as the soundtrack for your brief videos. Also, all of the music in this library is non-royalty. You cannot make a copyright claim as a result. Video footage library. When you upload your blog posts, videos, podcasts, and white papers to Pictory, it automatically searches through more than 3 million videos and images and pulls out relevant clips. The selected photos or videos align with the script that was entered. Next, Pictory creates brief, captivating videos that adhere to the script and flawlessly deliver the desired message. In this Pictory review, we should also point out that, like the music and pictures, the video in the footage library are all royalty-free. So, using videos doesn't have to worry about copyright issues. Transcription. The process of turning spoken word in an audio file into written text is called transcription. Users can quickly and simply convert podcasts, webinars, and Zoom calls into text using the Pictory application. As a result, you won't need to take notes at significant meetings going forward because Pictory will transcribe the texts right away. Also, by simply eliminating the text transcription, you can instantly omit any portions of the movie that you don't want to see. Filler words like ums and errors are automatically eliminated by Pictory's sophisticated AI. This software also allows you to create automatic summaries. The transcription is also available for download as a text, SRT, or VTT file. Subtitles. 85% of social media videos are seen on silent, according to data. Because of this, adding captions to your films boosts viewership, engagement, and watch time tremendously. Users have the option to add captions or subtitles, and Pictory will automatically fix any mistakes. Those who have hearing issues or those who are in noisy environments can access your content by adding captions to your videos. Also, captions increase the discoverability of your video content by helping it rank better on Google and YouTube. Pictory produces extremely accurate captions that maximize the readability of your message. Transcription. However, the Pictory transcribing tool is superb and quite accurate. The software can only transcribe video files. Pictory needs to provide audio files transcription. This would enable podcasters to transcribe episodes for their audience. Another suggestion we wish to make in this Pictory review is the addition of a transcription glossary/dictionary to help Pictory transcribe words more accurately. Special effects. One aspect where Pictory is lacking is the absence of special effects features. It would be great if users could access a wide range of special effects to add more glamour to their videos. A significant improvement for Pictory could also be including emojis, short graphics, logos, CTAs, etc. as a layer over the video scene. Another great addition would be picture-in-picture. As seen in users' Pictory reviews, some users have a well-researched personal media library, which they upload to their personal Pictory library. It would be great if the AI scans this content instead of the inbuilt stock video and images. Pictory should also allow its users to control how much of the text is summarized in the article to video section. Users should also be able to select or deselect parts of sentences, not just whole ones. User experience. A few improvements could be made to the overall user experience of Pictory. One is the ability to change client profiles, not just brand settings, but also uploaded visuals, projects, etc. This is helpful for agencies working on various customer projects with extremely varying branding requirements, uploaded audio and visual assets, etc. Another area that needs improvement is the media libraries. Pictory has many excellent contents, but more video, stock photos, and music options would be better. Pictory could also include an option on the storyboard to merge one or more scenes when users upload text. Finally, the ability to host and play videos from Pictory Cloud would be a great addition. Anyone who enjoys sending links to videos on social media or sharing them with colleagues for feedback would find this to be of great use. Now let's talk about the pricing. Pictory's free trial plan allows users to create 3 video projects, each up to 10 mins long. It also lets users access all AI-enabled features, text-to-video creation, automatic captioning and subtitles, and full access to 3 million plus licensed stock videos and images. Pictory users can upgrade and swap plans at any time. Make sure you try it now and use the link below this video. Pictory is subscription-based. 3 annual plans are available, namely Standard, Premium, and Enterprise. Below are the features you'll enjoy under each plan. Standard plan, $19 per user/month. Under this plan, users can create up to 30 videos, 720p video output, and get 10 hours of video transcription per month. Users can also create text-to-video projects of up to 10 minutes in length and edit videos up to an hour long. Finally, the standard plan gives access to 3 branded templates, 5,000 music tracks, and 25 text-to-speech AI voices. Premium plan, $39 per user/month. The premium plan allows users to create up to 60 videos, 720p and 1080p output, with 20 hours of video transcription per month. The text-to-video length is up to 20 mins, and users can edit videos up to 3 hours long. The premium plan gives access to 10 branded templates, 15,000 music tracks, and 42 text-to-speech AI voices. Other features included in this plan are automatic voice-over synchronization, branded intro and outro, Hootsuite integration, and bulk download of videos to CSV. Enterprise plan, custom. The Enterprise plan is best for large organizations. The features and price of this plan are tailored to the organization's taste, and it comes with a dedicated account manager. Educational material. The Pictory website offers instructional resources that explain how to utilize the program and demonstrate to marketers and content creators how to make money from the program. Moreover, Pictory offers a blog where they show customers how to use particular functionalities. Users may learn more about themes like strategic video marketing and repurposing, building your personal brand through video, top video production tips and tricks, AI in B2B sales, LinkedIn marketing, etc. by enrolling in a video marketing masterclass. Case studies that demonstrate how Pictory has effectively aided other firms are also available on the website. Last but not least, the Pictory support staff frequently offers free training sessions, and there is a Facebook page where users may find out more about the software and post queries. What could be improved? Sure, Pictory is an excellent tool for video creation. Many marketers and content creators love it. However, we would not have done justice to this Pictory review if we didn't mention some of the software shortcomings. My final thoughts. Pictory is a powerful AI tool for making videos. Text and long videos can be swiftly converted into succinct, interesting video material by users. The transcription and subtitles functionalities provide marketers the advantage because they raise the SERP ranking of their content. There is still room for development, though. Users should be able to play videos straight from Pictory Cloud, for instance. In the end, Pictory is a great tool for making videos that has advantages for businesses, bloggers, social media managers, podcasters, and YouTube makers. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more ad content and reviews like this.